members of the vacancy in the position of the Deputy Speaker of the County Assembly of Tharaka Nithi, and I elected that all interested persons to submit their nomination papers for election to the office of Deputy Speaker to the Clerk of the County Assembly on or before 18 July 2020 at 9 a.m. Honorable members, Standing Order 7.4 requires that the clerk shall maintain a register in which shall be shown the date and time when each candidate's nomination papers were received. I hereby confirm the Clerk of the Assembly has maintained a register in accordance with the requirement of Standing Order 7.4. Honorable members, Standing Order 7.5 requires that immediately upon the close of the nomination period, provided for in paragraph 2, the clerk shall A. publicize and make available to all members a list showing all qualified candidates, and B. make available to all members copies of the curriculum vitae of the qualified candidates. I confirm that a list showing all qualified candidates was publicized and was made available to all members electronically, and that the clerk made available to all members of the County Assembly copies of the curriculum vitae of the qualified candidates. At the close of the nomination period on Saturday, 18 July 2020 at 10 a.m., there were 2 candidates who had submitted their nomination papers and who were declared to be duly nominated for election to the office of Deputy Speaker. These were 1. Honorable Lastas Kinyua, Member of County Assembly, 2. Honorable Hussein Jage John, Member of County Assembly. Honorable members, Standing Order 10 provides that a candidate may, by written notice to the clerk, withdraw his or her name before the ballot is started. On 20th July 2020, by a written notice to the clerk of the County Assembly, Honorable Lastas Kinyua withdrew his candidature for election to the office of the Deputy Speaker. Consequently, leaving Honorable Hussein Jage John, Member of County Assembly, as the only candidate for election to the office of the Deputy Speaker. Honorable members, Standing Order 16, as led in the Standing Order 13, state that if there is only one candidate who has been duly nominated for election as Deputy Speaker or at the expiry of the nomination period, that candidate shall be declared forfeit to have been elected Deputy Speaker without any ballot or vote being required, and the Speaker shall administer the oath or affirmation of office of the Deputy Speaker in the presence of the assembled assembly. Accordingly, I hereby declare Honorable Hussein Jage John, Member of County Assembly, to be the duly elected as the Deputy Speaker of the County Assembly of Tharaka Nithi. Honorable members, we will now proceed to the swearing ceremony for the newly elected Deputy Speaker, which shall proceed as follows. 1. When I call out the name of the Deputy Speaker, all the honorable members shall rise in their places and shall remain standing during the ceremony. 2. The Deputy Speaker will be escorted by 2 honorable members in procession to the swearing-in arena, taking into account the COVID-19 protocols. The procession shall commence at the bar, where the Deputy Speaker and the 2 honorable members shall bow before proceeding to the swearing-in arena, where the Honorable Speaker shall be waiting to administer the oath or affirmation. 3. On arrival, the Deputy Speaker shall be introduced to the Speaker, who shall administer the oath or affirmation. And 4. Immediately upon being sworn in, the Deputy Speaker shall proceed to sign the oath in the presence of the Speaker. And 5. Thereafter, the Deputy Speaker shall be escorted back to the bar by the 2 honorable members, who together with him shall bow and resume their seats. And 6. All members shall thereupon resume their seats to end the ceremony. Honorable members, we will now begin with the swearing-in ceremony of the Deputy Speaker.
I've been elected as Deputy Speaker of the County Assembly of Tharaka Nithi County. I do swear and solemnly affirm that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Deputy Speaker of the County Assembly of Tharaka Nithi County, and I shall respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of the person in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws, provision of the Parliament without fear or favor, affection or ill health. So help me God.
I've said that I'm thankful that today I've been confirmed the Deputy Speaker of the Tharaka Nithi County Assembly. I've been acting as Deputy Speaker since the other Deputy Speaker was taken out. In the Assembly, we have the Speaker's Forum, the Speaker's Panel. The Speaker's Panel comprised of a Deputy Speaker, Chairperson 1, 2, and 3. I'm the Chairperson 1. When that, in absentia of the Deputy Speaker, I took read, non-government since in the Tharaka Nithi County Assembly. The only thing, I had no authority because I was not confirmed as the Deputy Speaker. Today, I've been confirmed as the Deputy Speaker, where the key value I'll do is, first of all, to harmonize, to unite the members, so that we can focus on the value that the electorate hand for us. 2, there is no variance in me and the former Deputy Speaker. We are all members of the Tharaka Nithi County Assembly. I'm equal to her. The only difference that I'm bearing today is that I have got a position of the Deputy Speaker confirmed to me. So I agree that, and I confirm to you that I will serve these honourable members in fairness, homogeneity, and the truthful manner.